Hello! So I'm doing the daily, or not daily, weekly or bi-weekly or tri-weekly maintenance on the motorhome. Here I am in the motorhome. So I wanted to take you along for the ride. Here we go. It's a beautiful day out after the hurricane. And this is the exciting part. So here we go. Here's our... Now I got it started. Basically, all I'm doing is the freshwater tank, because the freshwater, that's the shower and the sink, easy peasy, and that is the part that can go anywhere really, because it's just gray water. It's not the bad stuff. So that's what I'm doing right now, and we have this great spot. Let me see if I can turn it around. The house where my RV sits has all of this rock on the concrete pad, and so I just use that. I mean, it's me. I'm using organic soap, and this is it. So I'm doing this, and then I'm going to show you. I'm going to hook up the water. Oh, I just turned this on, hooked it right up. Great time to do everything, and then you just do this for the tank fill. Now I'm going to go turn it on. Make sure there's no kinks in the hoses. Okay, and here we go. Voila. It takes about 30 or 40 minutes. Oh, my hair's like crazy. We're gonna just make sure that nothing is leaking. You can see, nothing's leaking. It's going in there. You can hear it. And off we go. And then the great part about doing this at the same time is when the other thing is finished, I can use the hose, rinse everything off, and make it nice and neat. Who knew? Just a couple months into owning, I'm here, a week here, then I leave for a week, come back a week. But just the showers alone fill up the tank pretty quickly. Rinsing off dishes. I don't eat too much here because I'm working usually. But anyway, this is my new normal. I hope it's a great day.